All right, today we're gonna bring a RGB light. This is a clock, all right? All right, check out the clock, guys. Beautiful, outstanding light changes. Gives you the time. You can see from anywhere. You can change the coloring. Gives you a good ambiance to the room. Very bright. You could dim it down if you want. Beautiful, outstanding colors. Bright. And it makes the room look a lot beautiful. So very simple to set up your game room, your man cave, with your own clock that changes the RGB lighting. So match your room. This is a perfect way. Hope you guys enjoy the video.